In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Revolut to your bank account. In order to do this, first just open up the Revolut app and go to Payments in the bottom. Then click plus in the top right and click on Bank under New Payment. From there you can add a new recipient. So to do this, what you want to do is just enter your IBAN as well as selecting your country and currency, then enter your first and middle name and your last name. And after you do that, click on Add Recipient. Then from there, you will then see this screen where you can enter how much you want to send. So for example, 50 euros. Then just click on Continue. And then here you have an overview of all of your details. So your name, your bank. From there, just click Send. Then it will ask, are the payee and transfer details correct? So make sure they are. And then click Send again. And from there you should see this, so then it has been sent. And now if I go to this bank account and just refresh, you can now see that the 50 euros has just been deposited from my Revolut account. So now you know how to transfer money from Revolut to your bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.